The vampires are here and they are not here to play. You've been seeing this tutorial all over the place. Of course, you know I'm here to give you the most simplified version of whatever makeup trend that's going on in the industry. So yeah, let's get right into it. The signature color for this trend is a red lipstick. You can get a matte lipstick if you have that, or just use a lip palette. Either ways, but in this video I used a red matte lipstick and I went in with another red color, something a little bit deeper than the previous one I used, just for the red to really pop, as you can see. Then the black liners and red lipstick are the signature for this look, but we're going to have to enhance it a little bit just to give you more of that vampy red lips. Okay, so yeah, I've applied my black liner on my lip lines. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Guys, when doing your lip, blending is a must. That is what really gives you that shape, that form, and that professional makeup look. So as you can see, I am blending all that in, and when I say blending in, I mean blending it into the red lipsticks, because you don't want the black and the red to stand on its own. It's just going to look like you're still in the 90s and you're old-fashioned and stuff. Okay, so blend that in. As you can see, I'm taking my time to blend this, especially since this is a tutorial video. I really want you guys to see how I do my blending. I love blending my lips. It's so therapeutic for me. I don't know, but whenever I do this, I'm just super calm. I love the shades. It gives that umbrella look and all of that. So yeah, blend that in. You're going to want to blend it into the red lipstick. It doesn't have to overshadow. It does not need to overshadow the red. Just blend it in a way that it looks uniform, right? So I had a little bit of spill and I'm just cleaning that up. Back to blending. You can see this is exactly what I mean. You can see how it's beginning to form, right? Take your time with this. And guys, one of the key of lining your lips is to line from the bottom to the top. Don't line from top to the bottom. You're just going to lose the shape. So if you want that full plump lip, line from bottom to the top. Yes, then I'm just gonna go in with a lip gloss, and that is basically it for vampire lip. It's really very easy. It is really very easy. Just going with a clear lip gloss. For vampy lips, you want to go in with a clear lip gloss because you really need the red to like be obvious and the black liner, right? So apply that on your lip lines and the red, just basically everywhere, and just let it sit. Apply a lot of that. I went back in again with a black lip liner because I felt like it wasn't really popping. It needs to pop with the red, and as you can see, this is basically. So go out, slay that red lips. Red lips is something that never goes out of style, and I love it, especially on light skin girls. So see you in my next video.